Alright guys, we're here at the shop and the motor's inside, just about ready to go into the car. Let's go inside and take a look. Alright everybody, I'm just going to get some quick video of the motor. The mechanics here at 5 Bar Motorsports have been wrenching on this thing for a couple of days now. And the motor is almost assembled. It's in the subframe. And just looking around at it, you can see the transmission has been put on. They're just getting the blower back on. Here's a good shot of the inside of the blower, right? You can see it in there. That's it. That's the 3-liter Whipple, and the intercooler goes on top of that. So yeah, that's a good looking piece. But here it is. Engine's up on the subframe, and we're going to get it in the car. All right, everybody, I'm down here at the shop. I think today's the day. The motor is in the car, and we're going to go over there and take a look at it now. But you know, I couldn't get here earlier today while they were putting it in, but I got a bunch of pictures. We got the Mishimoto Radiator, and I'll show it to you here. You can see this radiator is pretty big. You know, I got these pictures from Dougie, and I'm just going to go through them. And it fits in the car real good, and I really do think that's going to help the cooling down here in Florida. So yeah, let's go over to the car and see what that motor looks like. All right, guys, take a look. The motor's in the car, and she's just about ready. We got the cables on it. We're going to try to charge up the battery, and pretty soon we're going to fire up this motor. Check it out. All right, guys, we're going to be starting this thing up soon. I just want to point out, this is the brake-in oil that we put in the car. This is a special oil that's high zinc and is used for brake-in. And from what I understand, Joe Gibbs owns this company. So yeah, this is pretty good stuff. Yeah. It sounds beautiful. Way to go, Dougie. Thank you. This does not sound like a stock motor. Awesome. All right, guys, we're just going to let the car run and warm up for a little while. She's running good. Let's get some heat in and see what she sounds like. All right, guys, some of you were asking me about this 04 Cobra. This is the one in competition orange. It's an amazing car, man. You know, from the outside it looks pretty stock, but under the hood it's not. Let's go over there and take a look at this thing. All right, everybody, so look at this 2004 competition orange Cobra. This is just one of the nicest cars that I've seen come in the shop, and I gotta say that there's a lot of nice cars that come in the shop. But the owner of this car has got this thing looking really sweet. That competition orange is popping. And if you look inside the car, he's kept it looking pretty stock on the most part. Now, they got the gauge panel out, so they're doing some work on it. But you can see, you know, he's got some extra gauges in there, tack and stuff like that. Love the chrome wheels. I mean, the front of this car, you know, this is just looking so aggressive. This was an awesome car in its day, and it still is today. But this innocent looking car, there's a lot going on here, because if you look here, that's a Ken Bell blower. That's right, it's a 2.4 liter Ken Bell polished blower. He's got a big monoblade throttle body on it, and you can see he's got a little nitrous kit on it. Now this car's running on E85, and from what I understand, just on engine, he's putting down 600 to the wheels. And with the nitrous kit, I believe that this is a 150 shot. You can see here, solenoids purge, fuel, and nitrous. Nice clean install. It's looking pretty good. And you know, it's just such a nice car. I imagine, you know, with the nitrous, he's putting down well over 700 horsepower to the rear wheels. But this is a beautiful car, man. One of the nicest Cobras that they built. All right, guys, the engine's been running here for about 10 minutes. She's all warmed up, and I have to say, it sounds amazing. It does not sound like the stock engine. Here's the Mishimoto Radiator. You can see how big it is. That should help us with the cooling. It's still running on a Whipple tune. We didn't change anything. All we did was put the new short block in. And coming around to this side of the motor, Actually, I used to hear what I thought was the high pressure fuel pump ticking away. I don't hear it anymore. I'm gonna guess it was the #1 cylinder making that noise. But she sounds really good. I am very, very happy with this install. All right, guys, the car's running. It sounds awesome. Pretty soon we'll get it out on the road. I can't wait. So thanks for watching. We'll talk to you later.